Hey guys, do you like video games? Rohan loves video games, especially the car racing type. If that's your thing as well, then you should know how to determine how fast or slow your video game car is. Let's see how that is done. Say we have two racing cars, A and B, traveling along a straight path. Which car is moving faster? Just from looking at the two cars moving, we can tell that car A is faster. But do we have solid evidence to prove that car A is faster than car B? Let's understand this with an example. Suppose both the cars are moving along a straight path of length 100 meters. Let's see how long car A takes to cover this distance. Okay, whoa! Car A covered 100 meters in only 4 seconds. That's pretty impressive. Now let's look at car B. Okay, car B took 5 seconds to cover the same distance. Still impressive. Now that we have determined how long the two cars take to cover 100 meters, let's divide this distance by the time taken to determine their speed. Car A covered 100 meters in 4 seconds, so its speed is 25 meters per second. Car B covered 100 meters in 5 seconds, so its speed is 20 meters per second. Note that meter per second is the SI derived unit of speed, but we can also express speed in kilometers per hour. Now here's a question for you. If the speed of car A is 25 meters per second, does that mean that it travels constantly at 25 meters per second? Well, no. Initially, the car moves slowly. In fact, in the first second, it might cover only 10 meters. But then in the remaining 3 seconds, it might zoom past the remaining 90 meters. In fact, most objects do not travel at a constant speed. Accordingly, an object's speed at any given point in time is called its instantaneous speed at that point. And an object's overall speed of movement is called its average speed. Average speed is determined by dividing the total distance covered by the total time taken to cover the said distance. Next, let's see what happens when both cars travel for 10 seconds on a straight 500-meter long path. Interesting. Car A managed to cover 250 meters while car B covered 200 meters. So the faster of the two cars covered a greater distance in the same amount of time. From this activity, we can conclude that more speed equals greater distance in lesser time. Now that you know this, the next time you're playing a car racing video game, make sure you choose the car with the highest maximum speed of all cars.